Myself Alok Chopra from AutoTurn Industry. We are associated with Ace Micromatic Group from last 30 years. We have almost 100 machines in AutoTurn Industry and more than 150 machines in Chopra Group of Industries. We are very happy to have each and every machine from Ace Micromatic, like turning machines, milling machines, turn wheel centers, grinding machines, sliding head machines and many other machines suitable specially made for our components. We had a lot of demands for the small component from customer end where the solution was sliding head machines. 2011 we started discussion with Ace Micromatic Group where we had a requirement of sliding head machines. So where they started the manufacturing of sliding head and starting machines we took with Ace Micromatic, where all models now we have purchased and they are giving a complete solution on sliding head machines. We have almost 11 machines of sliding heads from Ace Micromatic from 12 mm diameter to 32 diameter.
Ace Micromatic machines have good platform for turning centers. On the same basis, they have made the sliding head automats, which is a very good platform for operator easiness also. They have designed their machines in such a way that it is very easy for the operators to use.
Why we prefer Ace Micromatic machine is one of the strongest point is they have a competitive pricing. They have a very good backup of service. They give a very quick service within 6 hours. The service is provided. The downtime of the machines come down because of all this type of services. They have other features of TPM where we get OE study reports. Ace Micromatic is helping us to give a customized solution for our product requirement as per the customer requirement. In a huge volume, we take a special purpose machine from them, which helping us for higher productivity and giving a best performance, which are made in Ace Micromatic.
Ace Micromatic is already very good in their service backup. The same platform has been extended to the sliding head automatic machines also.
Ace Micromatic is the only Indian manufacturer who could develop and make a successful sliding head machines in India.